Dark Hollow here. So today, my brother is taking a nap because his little chubby stomach hurts. I'm just joking around. So I found this special video about David Juan. If you don't know who's David Juan, here's a picture of him. Go check him out in his channel, and yeah, let's see how this. I saw this one from Josh Darnit, which he looks like this. He looks like that. Go check out his channel. I don't know. I haven't seen him post any video. It said that it was 3 or 2 years ago of his videos. So this video that I found is Josh chasing Juan, and I'm gonna turn up the volume to prank my brother. He's taking a nap, and let's see what's his reaction. Let's get into the video. So he's asleep. I'm putting the scene. He's been asleep for 2 hours. I'm gonna lower the up the volume until 65 volume. I don't know how he's gonna react. Probably he's gonna attack me. Something he does that. And my other videos of pranking him, he never attacked me. I think he attacked me right now. Guys, so he chased me. Yeah, the clip. He's right over here, back to sleep again. Bro, you asleep? Again. So I'm gonna try and do it again, but I hope this time he doesn't attack me again. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to make a long prank video. I don't know, guys. I'll get to you guys in a moment. You guys want me to do it again? I'll do it again. Guys, it's been 6 hours. He hasn't woke up. I just got left. So this grill is on fire from David Juan. I'm gonna do it. He's asleep. I'm gonna wet him with the Caesar. I don't know how he's gonna act. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? It's not funny. That's funny. You didn't wake up earlier. And I was tired. I stayed up editing, I was editing my cockroach video after I got bitten by it. That's not funny. Oh. Oh. Ah! So guys, I hope you like that prank. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my brother Mango Juice in his channel. And also I made a new video. I got bitten by a cockroach. After that, my stomach is hurting really bad. I had the bites right here. So yeah, nobody cares. Hey! I'm actually that strong. I'm so skinny. Hairy. And the Just Production, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.